Hello students, in this video I am explaining you how to factorize a expression which is in the term of x square plus bx plus c. Okay, so a quadratic polynomial, quadratic trinomial. Quadratic means its highest power is 2. Highest power of its variable is 2. Okay, highest power of variable is 2. So here you are seeing that our full expression is in variable x, and power of variable is highest power of variable is 2, and highest power of variable, other name of highest power of variable is known as degree. So what is degree here? Degree is 2. So a quadratic trinomial means it has having how many terms? It has 3 terms. This I have already explained you in my earlier videos. You can check it out, those videos, or I will give you its how you will go. So I will give you link of those videos also. So where x is a variable and a, b, c are constant. Okay, a, b and c are constant. So constant and a is not equals to 0 means it has some value. So this is the condition of our quadratic trinomial. And in this section what we will learn? So we will learn to factorize quadratic trinomial where a is equals to 1. Okay, so if a is equals to 1, so our quadratic trinomial, earlier it was ax square plus bx plus c. Now since we are taking a is equals to 1, so it will become x square plus bx plus c. Okay, now just for example, if we have two brackets, and in those brackets x plus 2 and x plus 5 is are there, so when we use distributive law, so it will become x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 2 into 5. Okay, and these are two like terms, so in this we can take common x, so here 5 plus 2. So purposely I am saying, I am doing this purposely so that you can easily understand what is sum and what is product. So 5 plus 2, we can take it as a sum of 2 and 5. Okay, we can write it as, we can say it as sum of 2 and 5 with and it is multiplied by x, and here it is product of 2 and 5. So by doing this, if we are doing in this way, so we can get x square plus 7x plus 10. So in other way, what we can say, that x square plus 7x plus 10 can be factorized in term of this. Okay, so how we can factorize it, x square plus 7x plus 10? When we separate 7x in two terms, 5x and 2x, and when we add it, so we get 5x plus 2x. When we multiply it, so we get 10. Okay, here in further videos I will explain you, when we take a other than 1, so how, what happens here? Here we are taking a is equals to 1. Okay, but coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square, what is it? Here it is 1. And what is constant term? Constant term is plus 10. Okay, plus 10. So what we want, product of this term is like this, 1 into 10 is equals to 10, and here we are having 2 into 5 is 10. Okay, we will do some more questions so that it will be clear to you. Here I am again explain you that if we have, suppose x square plus 7x plus 10, so we have to separate the middle term in such a way, or we have to break the middle term in such a way, so that we have 7x will come in the form of 5x plus 2x, and if we multiply 5 into 2, so we get the term 10, And 10, what is 10? 10 is the product of coefficient of x square and constant term. Here coefficient of x square is plus 1 and constant term is plus 10. So multiplication of these two will become 1 into plus 10 is 10. Clear? I am giving emphasis on sign because if there is some minus sign, then you have to do in such a way so that your product will be according to your given question. Okay. So we need two numbers whose sum is 7 and whose product is 10. The numbers are, so we are taking the numbers are 2 and 5. So x square plus 7x plus 10 can be factorized in terms of x plus 2 into x plus 5. So through this we can generalize. Okay, so this is our generalized form. So what is our generalized form? If we have trinomial x square plus bx plus c, so we can do in this way x plus p in one bracket and x plus q in another bracket, where p plus q is equals to b and pq is equals to c. So p plus q means the sum of these two, p and q, and product means pq is equals to c. Okay, c, or here means see in this way that here coefficient of x square is 1, so in actual it is c into 1. Okay, and since c into 1 is equals to c, so we are writing here c only. Hope this thing is clear to you. Now we are taking question number 1, factorize x square plus 11x plus 24. So we need to find two numbers in such a way that its sum should be 11 and product should be 24. So here I am giving you some factor pair. So factor pair, this is a trial and error method. So factor pairs are 1 into 24, it can be 2 into 12, 3 into 8 and 4 into 6. Yes, here you are saying that you can easily understand that when we are taking 1 into 24, and instead of, if we are taking 2, so 2, so how what we want 24. So 1 into 24 is 24, yes. 2 into 12 is also 24, 3 into 8 is also 24, 4 into 6 is also 24. So these are the different combination which we can have. And sum of the products, if we take sum of the product for this, so 1 plus 24 is 25, 2 into 12 is 14, 3 into 8 is 11 and 4 into 6 is 10. So only in this term we are getting 24. Okay, so sum should be 11. So only in this way we are getting 11. So what we should take? We should take this one, 3 into 8 and 11. So x square plus 11x plus 24 can be changed in the form of sum is 3x plus 8x. So 3x plus 8x is 11 and 3 into 8 is 24. Okay. So x square plus 11x plus 24 can be changed in the form of x square plus 3x plus 8x plus 24. So see here x square plus 3x, in this only x is common. So in bracket x plus 3 will come, and at 8x plus 24 again 8 is common, so x plus 3. So now we have two terms. This is first term and this is second term. So in both terms what we have, x plus 3 is common. So this thing is common, that will come first. So x plus 3 will come first and after that x plus 8. So quadratic trinomial, we have x square plus 11x plus 24 that can come in the form of x plus 3 into x plus 8. Now next question, find two numbers which have product 12 and sum 7. So since it is a trial and error, so product 12 can come in the form of 12 into 1, it can come in the form of 6 into 2, it can come in the form of 3 into 4, and sum is 7. So 6 plus 1 is also 7, 2 plus 5 is 7, 3 plus 4 is 7. So now check it, which thing is common and how we can get product 12 and sum 7. So if we take 3 into 4, its product is 12, and 3 plus 4, its sum is 7. So what are the required number? So required two numbers will be 3 and 4. Okay. Next question, product 15 and sum 8. So probable combination are as follows. Product should be 15, so it can be 1 into 15 or it can be 3 into 5. Sum should be 8, so 1 plus 7, 2 plus 6, 3 plus 5 and 4 plus 4. But here in both, if we see both, so we are seeing that 3 and 5, these are the two combination whose product is 15 as well as sum is 8. So we can take these two numbers 3 and 5. Okay. So this is all about of this video, and what are the important things which you should always remember, that it is a trial and error method. So keep practicing so that you can so that these sums will be easy for you. And second is, while taking combination, take good care of sign also. Okay, good care of sign also means if it is negative, then do cautiously, and only big number sign will come in final answer. Okay. Okay, so this is all about of this video. Hope this video will help you. Bye bye.